guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Rosa, and on this channel we make plant-based food for you and your family to enjoy. So today I'm excited because we're making some chocolate mousse, and this chocolate mousse is so decadent, rich, it's so delicious, guys. Plus, it's really easy to make, so let me show you how to make it. So you'll need a high-speed blender or a good working blender, guys, and I'm going to use the cup attachment for that. And I have a Ninja blender, so it works really well. And so what you're going to add to that is 1 cup of soaked cashews. And I soak these cashews overnight at least, but I like to leave cashews in my fridge, 2 days before so that can really get soft for this recipe. To that, you'll add 1/4 cup of cacao powder, or you can use cocoa powder. Add 1/4 cup of agave nectar. You can also use maple syrup, but I like the way that agave nectar makes it come out. A teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. So at this point, we still have one more step. We have to add 1 cup of plant-based milk, but I like to kind of blend it up a little bit here to get it creamy so that there's not chunks in it, because once you add the liquid in there, it kind of makes it harder to get that moving, okay? So let's just get this kind of stirred up a bit, okay? Just scrape it down off the sides. And yes, you can just throw everything in the blender and mix it all together, but I just like to ensure that the nuts are really broken down. Okay, so now we'll add our 1/2 cup of plant-based milk, and I use unsweetened almond milk. And then we're gonna get the lid back on and blend it up until it's nice and smooth. So it's all done. Look at that. And we're just gonna put it inside both the glasses equally. And you can easily double this recipe. It just will be a lot. But you can double this recipe for your family, for a guest, and just if you want to eat more. So we're gonna put our mousse in the fridge to set up for about 2 to 3 hours, and then we'll check on it. All right, our chocolate mousse is all set up. It was in the fridge for like 2 hours. You can keep it in longer for thicker mousse, but right now we're just gonna throw some berries on it and taste it because I can't wait. All right, so I have the raspberries that I got from the market earlier. So I'm just gonna top them with that. A few raspberries just to make it look cute. Plus it just tastes so good. Chocolate and berries go so well together, guys. I know you guys know that. It's one of those classics. Put a few of those in there. I'm gonna put some of those blackberries in there. Yum, yum, yum. I'm so excited about this. Whew. Even though I tried it already when I made this recipe, and it's an old recipe, it's so good. It's just so good. And yes, I like lots of berries in mine, so just don't think I'm being greedy or it's just like a lot of berries, and it makes it taste so much good. And we're gonna top it off. Make 2 more cute little raspberries. We're gonna top it off with 2 more cute little raspberries. Let's see. All right. Look at that, so cute. Look at that, so cute, so good. Now tell me you won't want to eat that. It's nice and creamy and luscious, and we're gonna give it a try right now. It's so rich and creamy. It is delicious. Oh my gosh. It's decadent and silky. I'm not even like a big chocolate lover, as you guys know, but this is definitely bomb, so you gotta try this chocolate mousse. If I had some whipped topping, it'd be super bomb. But anyway, with that being said, I am Rosa, and this was a delicious chocolate mousse recipe, and I hope you guys try it. And if you like more recipes like this, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so that you don't miss out on any uploads that I put on the channel every week. Okay, guys? So with that being said, I'm Rosa, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.